Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive right into how to create and manage project schedules in teamwork.com efficiently. First things first, log into your teamwork.com account. Why do we do this? Well, you need to be logged in to create or manage any project schedules, quite simply. Now that we've done that, let's head over to the Projects tab in the main dashboard. This is where all your project management happens. From here, select Add Project. Fill in your project's details, like the name, description, and the start and end dates. Remember, setting accurate start and end dates helps everyone involved understand the project timeline better. Next up, you'll see a section labeled Tasks. This helps us because it's where we define what needs to be done for the project. Click on Add Task, name it, choose the assignee, and set the task's start and end dates. Remember, tasks are the stepping stones that lead us to project completion. It's important to break down your project into manageable tasks for effective execution. Once you've added all your tasks, go to the Gantt chart tab. This is an excellent tool for visualizing your project schedule. The reason we use this is because it helps us see the timeline of all tasks and the project as a whole, facilitating better planning and coordination. Now, let's talk about managing the project schedule. Go back to your Projects tab and select the project you want to manage. The Tasks section shows all your tasks and their status. You can update task progress here, mark tasks as done, or even reschedule tasks if needed. This is crucial because project schedules are dynamic. They change as work progresses, and keeping them updated ensures everyone is on the same page. Let me explain why this matters. Well-managed project schedules are the backbone of successful projects. They keep your team focused, help identify bottlenecks, and ensure timely project completion. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and manage project schedules in teamwork.com. Remember, good project management is all about staying organized and keeping everyone informed. Happy scheduling!